Hello everyone. Ragi is one such millet that it is called as wonder grain because it contains such health benefits, and it's also rich in fiber and antioxidants. So when you don't have anything around, it's very easy and simple to prepare. So all you need is take a mixing bowl and add 1 full cup of ragi powder. So this is homemade ragi powder. I'll tell you how to prepare this in the further videos. Add a little bit of salt to taste, and then half a tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and then give all the dry ingredients a nice stir. Mix it nicely and then add water little by little. See that there are no lumps formed, and whisk it till you get a nice dosa batter, not thinner but a thicker consistency. Grate carrot and then chopped onions and 2 chilies. Add into the batter and mix it till they all are mixed without any lumps. So stir it continuously. And then on the other hand, heat the tawa on the stove. Once the pan is heated, add the batter in this manner, where I have added one scoop of batter first in the middle and then I have spread it nicely. So now add oil on the edges and then flip it on the other side once it is cooked nice, and then you take it over. For the second method, pour the batter on the outer ring and then the middle one. Once you get these pores, add oil onto the pores so that the oil gets onto the other end of the dosa or the other side of the dosa and it cooks well. Now close the lid for a minute and then open the lid and then flip it over. This is another method. You can follow either of these, but check that your ragi dosa doesn't have any raw thing on the sides. So now flip it over and serve it to your loved ones. Here I have served with coriander chutney. You can serve this with coconut chutney or else peanut chutney. So for ragi recipes, I have already prepared ragi soup. Please check the link below. I'll be giving in the description. So try this, how you got this, and then let me know how it turned to you. So for those who are dieting and for those who are diabetic, instead of having rice, you can have this makes your stomach full, and also it's very healthy and it's also very tasty. Just check this. It's just like an omelette but with ragi or millets. So try this. Even your kids will love this, and let me know how it turned to you. Bye bye.